Okay student, welcome to CET lecture. Today we see that is about the transpiration. So see that is what is meant by the transpiration. So transpiration means that is the loss of the water in the form of the water vapor from the aerial part of the plants. So in the aerial part of the plant, that is the leaves or from the stem. So see that is here, the transpiration means loss of the water in the form of loss of water in the form of water vapors. It is known as the transpiration by the aerial part of the plant. So here during the transpiration, that is large amount of water it is lost, that is of the 95% of the water is lost. %95 of water is lost, and the 5% of the water it mainly used for the growth and the cell expansion. How many? That is the remaining 5% of the water it is used for the growth and the plant growth and the cell expansion. Okay, so here the transpiration, that is means here loss of water in the form of water vapors, okay, through the aerial part of the plant. So aerial part of the plant, that is it mainly that is the leaves. So large amount of transpiration it mainly takes place through the leaves. Okay, so here the transpiration it takes place through the leaves, but here during the transpiration, if the water is lost in the form of the liquid water, that is not water vapor, so this is the guttation. This process is known as the guttation. So what is meant by guttation? That is the loss of water in the form of liquid. Loss of water in the form of liquid. In liquid form. बघा आता ट्रान्सपिरेशन म्हणजे काय सांगितलं मी, दॅट इज लॉस ऑफ वॉटर इन द वॉटर वेपर्स. ओके, म्हणजे वॉटर वेपर्सच्या फॉर्म मध्ये जर वॉटर लॉस होत असेल, ओके, वॉटर वेपर्सच्या फॉर्म मध्ये जर वॉटर लॉस होत असेल, दॅट इज नोन ॲज द ट्रान्सपिरेशन. इट इज नोन ॲज द ट्रान्सपिरेशन. ओके, बट इफ द वॉटर इज लॉस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिक्विड, लिक्विड फॉर्म मध्ये जर वॉटर लॉस होत असेल, इट इज नोन ॲज द guttation. Okay, so here the guttation it mainly takes place by the special structure. It is known as the hydatodes. It is known as the hydatodes. So here the hydatodes, these are mainly present at the lip margins. For example, see that is here is the lip structure. Okay, so that is, so here there are the small openings, okay, which are known as the hydatodes, which are present at the lip margin. Okay, and here when the water is lost in the form of the liquid, water is lost in the form of liquid, it is known as the guttation. And this guttation process it takes place through these small openings or the structures, special structures, which is known as the hydatodes. Okay, so these hydatodes, these are also known as water stomata. It is known as water stomata. Okay, so see that is here the transpiration it mainly takes place, that is in the form of the vapors, water vapors. जर त्या वेपर्सच्या फॉर्म मध्ये जर वॉटर लॉस होत असेल, it is through the stomata. small opening which is present on the leaves. Leaves वरती जे small opening असतात, aperture असतं, which is known as the stomata. ओके, आणि या स्टोमाटाद्वारे जर वॉटर लॉस होत असेल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वॉटर वेपर्स. ओके, it generally naturally takes place in the plants, that is the loss of the water by the process of transpiration in the form of water vapors, that is by the stomata. But if the water which is lost in the form of liquid, water is lost in the form of liquid, it is known as the guttation, and this guttation mainly takes place by the special structure, it is known as the hydathode. Okay, it is known as the hydathode. So here hydathode is also known as the water stomata. Hydathode is also known as the water stomata. So here the 1% water is lost in the liquid form. 1% म्हणजे जेवढं वॉटर लॉस होईल त्यापैकी 1% water it is lost in the form of the guttation. How many percent? 1%. 1% water it is lost in the form of the liquid water. Okay, that is through the guttation, while the 99% water it mainly lost in the form of water vapors. 99% water that is in the form of water vapors. How many? 99% water it is lost in the form of the water vapor, while here in the form of the liquid here 1% water is lost. Okay, so it is about the structure that is through which here transpiration takes place. But in the plants, that is major transpiration, it mainly takes place by the 3 sites. Okay, so which are the sites of transpiration? So transpiration it takes place by the first, that is the cuticle. Okay, so it is known as the cuticular transpiration. Second, if the transpiration takes place by the lenticels, it is known as the lenticular transpiration. And if the transpiration takes place by the stomata, it is known as stomatal transpiration. Stomatal transpiration. It is known as the stomatal transpiration. Okay, so there are the 3 sites. One is the cuticle, lenticel, and the stomata. Okay, so what is the cuticle? That is, if we see the lip structure. So see, that is, here is the lip structure. If we take the TS, जर आपण या लिपचा TS घेतला, okay, so it is the upper epidermis. It is the lower epidermis. Okay, it is the upper epidermis. It is the lower epidermis. Okay, so here this epidermal layer it is covered by the waxy coating. Waxy coating ने जर ते cover असेल तर याला म्हटलं जातं cuticle. It is the cuticle. Okay, so what is the stomata? That is the small opening present on the epidermis. Majority stomata are present on the lower epidermis. These are the stomata. These are the stomata. Okay, so here if we see, that is in the leaves, here at the center there is a vascular bundle. It is surrounded by the mesophyll cells. Then here also there are the palisade tissue, spongy tissue, etc. Okay, so here the water it mainly lost, that is from the vascular bundle to the mesophyll cell, then from mesophyll cell to another mesophyll cell, then into the intercellular space, and then from the stomata the water is lost. Okay, or the water may be lost through the waxy coating of the epidermal layer, that is known as the cuticle. ओके, दोन कन्सेप्ट लक्षात आले. क्युटिकल म्हणजे काय, स्टोमाटा म्हणजे काय, स्मॉल ओपनिंग प्रेझेंट ऑन द एपिडर्मिस, that is known as the stomata. Okay, so what is the lenticels? Lenticels, these are mainly present on the outer layer of the stem. Okay, that is on the bark also. उडी स्टेम असेल तर त्या उडी स्टेम वरती किंवा बार्क वरती किंवा रूट्स वरती, और इट मे बी प्रेझेंट ऑन द पेरिकार्प. पेरिकार्प वरती सुद्धा हे जनरली स्मॉल ओपनिंग्स प्रेझेंट असतात, विच इज नोन ॲज द लेंटिसेल्स. ओके, सो these are the three sites, okay, on which here through which here the transpiration takes place. Okay, so one by one we see that is the types of the transpiration. Okay, so see that is what are the types of the transpiration. आता या साइट वरतीच या ट्रान्सपिरेशन चे टाइप्स आहेत, that is first cuticular transpiration, lenticular transpiration, and third the stomatal transpiration. Okay, so first we see that is about the cuticular transpiration. So what is meant by the cuticular transpiration? So what is the cuticle? We have seen that it is the outer surface of the epidermal cell. Cuticle. Okay. So cuticle, it is the outer surface of epidermal cells. Outer surface of the epidermal cells. Okay, that is the cuticle. Okay, and this cuticle is made up of the substance that is the cutin. So the cutin, it mainly made up of the waxy substance. Cutin is the waxy substance. Cutin, it is the waxy substance. की जेणेकरून आपण काही पानं असे चकाकणारे दिसतात आपल्याला. Why? Due to the presence of the substance that is cutin. That is here the cuticle, it is the outermost layer which is present, that is on the epidermis. Okay, and here it is mainly made up of the cutin, that is the waxy substance. So here through the cuticle, how many percentage of the transpiration takes place? That is 8 to 10%. Transpiration. How many rate? It is the transpiration rate. That is the 8 to 10% transpiration. It mainly takes place through the cuticle. Okay. So out of total transpiration takes place by the three parts. That is here cuticle, lenticel, and the stomata. Out of which through the cuticle here 8 to 10% transpiration takes place. Okay, so here the rate of transpiration is inversely proportional to the thickness of cuticle. Rate of transpiration is inversely proportional to thickness of cuticle. आता इन्व्हर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल म्हणजे काय, तर जेवढा क्युटिकलचा थिकनेस कमी असेल तितका ट्रान्सपिरेशनचा रेट हा काय असेल, जास्त असेल. आलं लक्षात? जेवढा थिकनेस जास्त तेवढा ट्रान्सपिरेशनचा रेट काय असेल, कमी असेल. ओके, सो हियर the rate of transpiration is inversely proportional to the thickness of the cuticle. Okay, so it is about the cuticular transpiration. Cuticular transpiration चा percentage लक्षात ठेवा, that is it is the 8 to 10% of the transpiration. It mainly takes place by the cuticle. Okay, म्हणजे टोटल ट्रान्सपिरेशन जेवढं होईल त्याच्या 8 to 10 ट्रान्सपिरेशनचा रेट हा कशाद्वारे होईल? थ्रू द क्युटिकल. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज क्युटिकल? इट इज द आउटरमोस्ट सरफेस ऑफ द एपिडर्मिस. अगदी वरचा सरफेस असतो जो की वॅक्सी कोटिंग बनलेला असतो, वॅक्सी असतं ते, दॅट इज इट इज मेड अप ऑफ द क्युटिन. Okay, and here the rate of transpiration is always inversely proportional to the thickness of the cuticle. Okay, so it is about the cuticular transpiration. Then next, that is the lenticular transpiration. Second type, lenticular transpiration. So lenticular transpiration, it mainly takes place through the lenticels. Through the lenticels. So what are the lenticels? The lenticels, these are the sporous tissue which are consisting of the cells which is having the large intercellular space. These are mainly present on the bark of the stem, woody bark of the stem. Then these are mainly present on the hard pericarp of the fruit. म्हणजे फ्रूटचं जे काही हार्ड कव्हरिंग असतं त्याच्यावरती जनरली आपल्याला हे दिसते, किंवा these are mainly present on the woody roots also. Okay, so see that is here. The lenticels, these are mainly absent on the leaves. Lenticels हे जनरली leaves मध्ये काय असतात? absent असतात. So here the total transpiration, it mainly takes place, that is 0.1 to 1% through the lenticels. 0.1 to 1% total transpiration takes place by the lenticels. Okay, we have seen through the cuticle 8 to 10% transpiration takes place, while here through the lenticels, here the transpiration takes place, that is very less amount of the transpiration it occurs through the lenticels. So here the through the lenticels, here transpiration it only occurs, that is only throughout the daytime, while through the cuticle the transpiration it mainly occurs day and the night time. Okay, so here the how the structure of the lenticels, see that is here. If we see that is the bark, woody bark or the woody root, here we see that is on the woody bark there are the small openings. Okay, like this. So these are the lenticels. So how the structure of the lenticel, that is see here, if there is the outermost layer, that is the, see that is here the epidermal layer, and here there are the loosely arranged cells like this. So see that is here is the opening. Okay, so see here it is the lenticular pore. This opening, it is the lenticular pore. Small opening असतं हे lenticels, छोटेसे असे small openings असतात. Okay, and here below this there are the parenchymatous cells, that is which are the loosely arranged complementary cells. So here there are the loosely arranged complementary cells. Okay, so it is the structure of the lenticel. Okay, so here these are mainly present on the hard woody bark or the woody root. Okay, or on the hard pericarp, that is the on the woody fruit of the pericarp. जनरली जे हार्ड कठीण असतं त्याच्यावरती आपल्याला हे स्मॉल ओपनिंग दिसतात. लेंटिक्युलर ट्रान्सपिरेशन हे थ्रू आउट डे चालू राहतं. And here the lenticular transpiration, it mainly, that is the percentage is very less, that is 0.1 to 1% transpiration takes place to the lenticels. Then next that is about the stomatal transpiration. Third type is the stomatal transpiration. Stomatal transpiration. So here the small apertures or the openings which are made up of the guard cells in the accessory cells, which is known as the stomata. So stomata, these are present on the epidermis of the leaves or the young stem. म्हणजे अगदी यंग स्टेम असेल तर त्याच्यावरती पण हे स्मॉल ओपनिंग असतात किंवा जनरली जास्तीत जास्त स्टोमाटा हे लीव्स वरती असतात. On the upper epidermis as well as on the lower epidermis. Okay, so here depending upon the distribution they are of the three types. म्हणजे हे जे स्टोमाटा आहेत स्मॉल ओपनिंग आहे. तर याचा आपण सुरुवातीला स्ट्रक्चर बघूया की स्टोमाटाचं स्ट्रक्चर ॲक्च्युली कसं असतं. सो द स्टोमाटा विच आर हॅव्हिंग द गार्ड सेल्स. ओके, सो सी दॅट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द स्टोमाटा. So these guard cells, these are mainly the kidney shape in the like this. These are the guard cells. These two are the guard cells. Then here the inner wall. See here is the inner wall. So this inner wall is thick. Thick inner wall. While the outer wall, it is the thin. Outer wall is thin. So see that is here there is small opening. या दोन्ही वॉलच्या मध्ये इथं आपल्याला स्मॉल ओपनिंग दिसतं. इट इज नोन ॲज द स्टोमा. It is known as the stoma. So it is the stoma, small opening or the pore. छिद्र असतं छोटासा, stoma pore असंही म्हटलं जातं. That is here in the this guard cells, these are mainly made up of the nucleus and it is also made up of the chloroplast. That is here the chloroplast. Okay, and here the nucleus. Okay, then here these guard cells, these are surrounded by the some special cells. These are known as the subsidiary cells or the accessory cells. Okay, so these are surrounded by some the special cells. These are the subsidiary cells. That is, these are modified. The epidermal parenchyma cell, that is the guard cells. These are the modified epidermal parenchyma cells. These are mainly the kidney shape. Okay, so if we see that is the subsidiary cells, these are also known as the accessory cells. And then again the subsidiary cells, these are surrounded by the epidermis. Epidermal cells. These are surrounded by the epidermal cells. Okay, so these are the epidermal cells. Epidermal cells. These are surrounded by the epidermal cells. Okay, so here here see that is the structure of the stomata. So here in the stomata it is having mainly that is the guard cells, then the subsidiary cells or the accessory cells, and the small opening which is known as the stoma. These are the three main parts of the stomata. Okay, so which are the three main parts of the stomata? That is, one is the stoma, which is the small opening. Okay, then another is the guard cells. Guard cells. And third, that is the accessory cells or the subsidiary cells. Accessory cells or subsidiary cells. Okay, so these are the three parts of the stoma. Okay, so through the stomata here the transpiration takes place. So here the stomata through which here transpiration takes place, it mainly of the three types. That is where the stomata are present, that is the stomata depending upon their position. जर आपण या स्टोमाटाची पोझिशन बघितली किंवा डिस्ट्रीब्युशन बघितलं तर स्टोमाटाचे तीन टाइप्स सांगता येतील. फर्स्ट दॅट इज द इपिस्टोमॅटिक. फर्स्ट टाइप आहे इपिस्टोमॅटिक. Epistomatic. Epistomatic means what? Epi means above. If the stomata are present upper epidermis, जर लिपच्या ते अपर एपिडर्मिसला असतील तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? इपिस्टोमॅटिक. अँड द इपिस्टोमॅटिक नेचर it mainly occurs, that is the only present on the upper epidermis of the leaf. ओके, these are mainly present in the hydrophytes, म्हणजे जे पाण्यामध्ये वाढणारे जे प्लांट्स असतात त्याच्यामध्ये. फॉर एक्झाम्पल लोटस, कमळ, हायड्रोफाइट्समध्ये जनरली आपल्याला कंडिशन दिसेल दॅट इज द इपिस्टोमॅटिक. ओके, त्यानंतर दुसरी आहे दॅट इज द हायपोस्टोमॅटिक. दुसरी कंडिशन आहे सेकंड हायपोस्टोमॅटिक. Hypo means below, that is if the stomata are present in the lower epidermis. जर स्टोमाटा हे लोअर एपिडर्मिसला असतील तर त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? हायपोस्टोमॅटिक. ओके, सो हियर इन केस ऑफ द झिरोफाइट्स. झिरोफाइट्स म्हणजे की ज्या ठिकाणी पाणी खूप कमी प्रमाणात असतं, म्हणजे कमी पाणी असणाऱ्या ठिकाणामध्ये, जिथे डेझर्ट एरिया म्हणू आपण, की अशा ठिकाणामध्ये जिथं हे ग्रोथ होते प्लांटची, तर जनरली इथे आपल्याला कंडिशन दिसेल दॅट इज द हायपोस्टोमॅटिक. हायपो म्हणजे दॅट इज द स्टोमाटा विच आर प्रेझेंट ऑन द लोअर एपिडर्मिस. आता हे लोअर एपिडर्मिसला का असतात? की जेणेकरून कमीत कमी ट्रान्सपिरेशन व्हावं. ठीक आहे, सो दीज आर प्रेझेंट ऑन द लोअर एपिडर्मिस. आणि मग इथं झिरोफॅटिक प्लांट्स, की जनरली जिथं कमी पाणी असतं अशा ठिकाणी हे प्लांट्स वाढतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल नेरियम, की याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला कोणती कंडिशन दिसेल? हायपोस्टोमॅटिक. ठीक आहे, आणि थर्ड आहे दॅट इज द एम्पिस्टोमॅटिक. एम्पी मीन्स बोथ. एम्पिस्टोमॅटिक, एम्पी म्हणजे बोथ. दॅट इज हियर द स्टोमाटा दीज आर प्रेझेंट ऑन द बोथ सरफेस, दॅट इज अपर एपिडर्मिस आणि लोअर एपिडर्मिस. ओके, बोथ सरफेसला जर असतील तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? एम्पिस्टोमॅटिक. एम्पी बोथ. ओके, मग एम्पिस्टोमॅटिक कंडिशन ही जनरली मिझोफाइट्स मध्ये दिसेल आपल्याला, की इथं मिझोफाइट्समध्ये जनरली ग्रासेस वगैरे असतात की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला स्टोमाटा हे कुठे प्रेझेंट दिसतील? अपर एपिडर्मिस ॲज वेल ॲज टू द लोअर एपिडर्मिस. ओके, सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द डिस्ट्रीब्युशन ऑफ द स्टोमाटा, हे जे स्टोमाटा आहे जे डिस्ट्रीब्युशन आहे प्लांट्समध्ये, okay, depending upon the distribution, that is the stomata, these are mainly classified into the three types, that is epistomatic, hypostomatic and ampistomatic. Okay, epistomatic म्हणजे काय? that is if the stomata are present on the upper epidermis, लिपच्या वरच्या बाजूला upper epidermis असते. ओके, epi above. लिपच्या लोअर सरफेसला जर स्टोमाटा असतील तर त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? हायपोस्टोमॅटिक. ठीक आहे, आणि दोन्ही सरफेसला जर असतील तर त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? एम्पिस्टोमॅटिक. ठीक आहे, सो दिस आर द डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द डिस्ट्रीब्युशन ऑफ द स्टोमाटा. there are the different types. Okay, so these conditions. Okay, so see, that is here we see the structure of the stomata. So in the stomata, that is here, first we see how the structure of the guard cells are. Okay, so these guard cells, these are mainly the modified epidermal parenchyma cells. म्हणजे गार्ड सेल्स हे एपिडर्मिसच्या जे काही सेल्स असतात त्यातले पॅरेन्कायमा सेलचं मॉडिफिकेशन होतं आणि त्यापासून हे गार्ड सेल्स तयार होतील. ओके, सो दे आर किडनी शेप्ड इन डायकॉट व्हाईल दे आर डम्बेल शेप इन द मोनोकॉट. ओके, सो सी दॅट इज हियर. That is here, the structure, it is the guard cells. Okay, so this is the dicot stomata, in which here the guard cells are the kidney shape. While if we see in the monocot, the guard cells, these are mainly the dumbbell shape. So see, that is how the guard cells are. Like this, dumbbell shape. And then again, these are mainly surrounded by the subsidiary cells. Like this. And there they are surrounded by the epidermal cells. So in the monocot, they are dumbbell shape. Guard cells. These are the dumbbell shaped guard cells. While in the dicot, they are the kidney shaped guard cells. Dicot मध्ये ते कसे असतात, किडनी शेप्ड असतात. सो सी, दॅट इज दी गार्ड सेल्स, दीज आर मेनली मेड अप ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस अँड द क्लोरोप्लास्ट. ओके, जर आपण बघितलं तर ते जनरली लिव्हिंग न्यूक्लिएटेड आहेत, न्यूक्लियस त्याच्यामध्ये प्रेझेंट आहे. त्यानंतर गार्ड सेल्स इन केस ऑफ द सायप्रसमध्ये जर बघितलं तर जनरली गार्ड सेल्स दीज आर बोथ किडनी शेप्ड अँड ऑल्सो द डम्बेल शेप्ड. सायप्रसमध्ये आपल्याला मात्र दोन्ही प्रकारचे गार्ड सेल्स बघायला मिळतील. दॅट इज दे मे बी द डम्बेल शेप लाईक दिस ऑर द किडनी शेप. ओके, देन हियर द गार्ड सेल्स इन विच हियर द इनर वॉल इज थिक. इनर वॉल कसा आहे, थिक आहे आणि हे जनरली नॉन इलॅस्टिक असतं. इनर वॉल हे कसं असतं, थिक असतं अँड इट इज नॉन इलॅस्टिक और इन इलॅस्टिक. वाइल हियर द आउटर वॉल ऑफ द थिन. आउटर वॉल हे कसं आहे, थिन आहे अँड इट इज द इलॅस्टिक. याचं नेचर कसं आहे, इलॅस्टिक. इट इज इलॅस्टिक इन नेचर. ओके, सो हियर इन द गार्ड सेल्स देर आर द क्लोरोप्लास्ट. Okay, but here the photosynthesis it mainly takes place poor. जरी क्लोरोप्लास्ट असलं तरी सुद्धा इथं फोटोसिंथेसिसचा रेट मात्र काय असतो, पुअर असतो. अँड these guard cells, these are mainly helpful for the opening and the closing of the stomata. आता ही प्रोसेस ओपनिंग आणि क्लोजिंग कशी आहे ते आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये बघणार आहोत. हाऊ द मेकॅनिझम ऑफ ओपनिंग अँड द क्लोजिंग ऑफ द स्टोमाटा टेक्स प्लेस. ओके, सो इट इज अबाउट द गार्ड सेल्स. ओके, त्यानंतर इथं सेंटरला जे स्मॉल ओपनिंग आहे त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, स्टोमा. सो स्टोमा इट इज द इलिप्टिकल पोअर विच इज प्रेझेंट बिटवीन द टू गार्ड सेल्स. दोन गार्ड सेल्सच्या मध्ये जे स्मॉल ओपनिंग असतं, इलिप्टिकल पोअर, छिद्र असतं, त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं, स्टोमा. Okay, so here what is the function of the stoma? That is excess water. It is mainly lost to the stoma in the form of water vapor. म्हणजे वॉटर वेपरच्या फॉर्म मध्ये या स्टोमा मधून एक्सेस वॉटर हे रिलीज होतं. Okay, so here the excess water it is lost through the stoma of the stomata. That is, it is the small elliptical pore प्रेझेंट बिटवीन द टू गार्ड सेल्स. दोन गार्ड सेल्सच्या मध्ये जे स्मॉल ओपनिंग असतं त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं, स्टोमा. देन नेक्स्ट दॅट इज द असेसरी सेल्स और दीज आर ऑल्सो नोन ॲज द सबसिडरी सेल्स. ओके, सो असेसरी सेल्स इट इज द स्पेशल इपिडर्मल सेल्स विच आर सराउंडेड द गार्ड सेल्स. त्यांना ते कशाने सराउंडेड असतात, गार्ड सेल्स. ओके, सो इट इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज द असेसरी सेल्स. Okay, accessory cells which are also known as the subsidiary cells. त्यांनाच काय म्हटलं जातं, subsidiary cells. Okay, so these are surrounded the guard cells. या guard cells ना हे जे cells, epidermal cells surrounded असतात, these are the known as the subsidiary cells. Okay, so here the accessory cell, it mainly having the storage of the potassium ion. So it is the reservoir of the potassium ions. म्हणजे जनरली या सबसिडरी सेल्स मध्ये पोटॅशियम आयन्स असतात. आता हे आपण डिटेल अजून क्लोजिंग आणि ओपनिंग ऑफ द स्टोमाटा मध्ये आपण हे डिटेल बघणार आहोत. Okay, so it is about the structure of the stomata. That is, stomata, it mainly made up of the three main parts. That is, one is the main guard cells, then opening stoma, and it is surrounded by the accessory cells or the subsidiary cells. Okay, so it is about the structure of the stomata. Okay, so student, today we stop here. Today we see that is about the process of the transpiration. Then transpiration is nothing but the loss of the water in the form of water vapor. Okay, and in the form of water vapor, that is through in the plants the water vapors, water which is transpiration takes place, that is loss of the water in the form of water vapors, it mainly takes place through the stomata, that is the small opening. Okay, and here we have seen that is one process, that is the guttation. If the water is lost in the form of liquid, जर लिक्विडच्या फॉर्म मध्ये वॉटर लॉस होत असेल तर त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं, गटेशन. अँड द गटेशन प्रोसेस इट मेनली टेक्स प्लेस थ्रू द स्पेशल स्ट्रक्चर that is known as the hydathoid. ओके, त्यानंतर आपण तीन टाईप बघितले ट्रान्सपिरेशनचे, क्युटिक्युलर ट्रान्सपिरेशन, लेंटिक्युलर ट्रान्सपिरेशन आणि स्टोमाटल ट्रान्सपिरेशन. जनरली क्युटिक्युलर ट्रान्सपिरेशन हे 8 to 10% क्युटिक्युलर ट्रान्सपिरेशन होतं. लेंटिक्युलर ट्रान्सपिरेशन की ज्याच्यामधून वॉटर वेपर्सच्या फॉर्ममध्ये खूप कमी प्रमाणात बाहेर फेकलं जातं, की जे अगदी 0.1 to 1% आहे, बरोबर आहे. आणि क्युटिक्युलर ट्रान्सपिरेशन स्टोमाटल ट्रान्सपिरेशन हे मात्र थ्रू डे टाईम चालतं आणि स्टोमाटल ट्रान्सपिरेशन इट मेनली टेक्स प्लेस अबव द 90%, म्हणजे जवळजवळ 90 to 92% एवढं ट्रान्सपिरेशन हे कशामार्फत होतं, बाय द स्टोमाटा. So the stomata, we have seen the structure of the stomata also. Okay, so today we stop here. In next lecture we can see how the opening and the closing of the stomata takes place. Okay student, today we stop here.